It's my last day here and I'm trying to finish packing. My flight leaves tonight, but I came with 3 luggage and I'm leaving with this. So I still have some things to give away over there. I have my personal backpack, my personal bags for goodies, and my sweater. I wanted to share some things that I travel with. So here is my neck pillow. The blue one is just like a memory foam. It goes around the neck. This is the one that inflates, and it has some other videos on that. My compression socks I washed when I got here. Some other essential things this is my little trolley to carry my backpack and a small bag. This is just a cover for my backpack. So when I finish getting everything that I need for my backpack, I put this. It's just a cover, and it covers the backpack to keep it away from dirt or rain or whatever. So like that. This is my pack towel. Woo woo! Love this towel. It's just I got it at REI for about less than 20 bucks, and it's small, thin, compatible. It folds up, dries really quickly, and it goes in here. So another thing is my cups actually. So this is the Under Armour one that I travel with. I usually have a big one, but this is easier to go in the airport with. This I put coffee. When I have ice, I just ask for ice. It has a lid. I have some straws that I brought. So my chopstick, spoon, straws, the cleaner, all in here. A travel bag. So like when you go to the grocery store, I just need to carry something around. It's nice to have. I also have my backpack, which is this one that I carry with me everywhere, but not to the airport. It's too small. I have to carry my laptop and stuff, so it doesn't fit in there. So I have that one for just airport travel. And then a nice journal or notebook. I have a pepper spray. Didn't have to use it, so that's great. A power bank, of course. Hydration, teas. This is a menstrual cup. So ladies, menstrual cup are a must. I feel like it's so helpful. Less contribution to landfill. It's more comfortable, and there's a video I have on that. Some medication I have, some vitamins. I have a few left. Tea tree oil, of course. It goes on like pain or even mosquito bites. I love it on that. And this is just inhaler. So this one has an inhaler. I forgot this from Thailand, and it has an ointment piece to it too, so it could act as a mosquito ointment as well. Bites. And my favorite is this tripod. Not only that I like it to take pictures of selfie or of certain things that I need to have, or as my stand while I'm showing you guys what I'm eating. This is what I use. It bends, it maneuvers whatever way it opens up. But not only that, this is also my TV stand. I use it while I'm sitting on the couch, I'm laying in bed, and then this tilts and moves. So like wherever my head is, it'll tilt the phone. I'll have the phone tilt with me, like the way my head is directed. It's wonderful. I use this every single day. I even used it because I have extra phones for here. The phone that I'm using right now is what I'm recording with, but I have other phones with me right now. And when the light goes out, because the light goes out a lot here, I use it as my flashlight holder. So I'll put the phone here, turn on the flashlight, and voila, it's also a flashlight holder. TV stand, camera stand, everything. I really like it. And I also buy packs and packs of these just to give away. I love to give little sweets away just to say thank you, or just to make someone's day a little better. I buy like 3 or 4 packs of these and hand them out, and it's really fun. This is a guava flavor. Everyone always ask, where did you get it from? Because it has like Chinese writing or whatever. Yeah, I think it's Chinese writing. And they think that I brought it from China, which is probably made from China, but no, I got it in the States. So yeah, it's a little fun thing to have. I have 3 left, so I don't know who the lucky 3 is gonna be. And I just have a few more things to pack. This is a deodorant that I use. I really like this. It really works the whole entire day. Rosemary and lavender. It doesn't smell as rosemary and lavender-ish. It kind of has a, not a manly smell, but like an herby smell. So it kind of gets used, like you have to get used to the smell, but it's not a bad smell. And it literally lasts the whole day. Like I'll be sweating all day. Oh, look, I have another candy left. Oh, this is also a must, especially in the heat. When you're wearing shorts or a dress, put this between your thighs and you don't feel your legs rubbing against each other. I call it the chub rub. When your chubs rubbing against each other, you don't want it to, you know. And then sunblock. I have some sunblock. Floss. I don't know where my mosquito repellent. Oh, I think I must have packed it in my other bag, my toiletry bag. So yeah, here it is. So this is all I have left to pack. I have some leftover snacks that's gonna go in here somewhere. So I came with 3 luggage and I'm leaving with hopefully 1.